Hi, and welcome to Tutorial 9, Importing and Exporting NittanyCow Rations. This tutorial will show you how to transfer rations between two computers or share rations with other NittanyCow users. As you view this tutorial, you may want to pause the video so that you can follow along on your computer, and you can always watch this tutorial again until you are comfortable with the topics that are covered. For more information on anything you see here, please visit our website, www.NittanyCow.com. Often, users may want to transfer rations between two computers. For example, you may wish to transfer rations from your desktop computer to your laptop computer. Users may also wish to share rations with each other for consulting purposes. NittanyCow allows users to export a ration or catalog of rations from one computer, then transfer them to another computer. Once transferred, the rations can be imported into NittanyCow for viewing and manipulation. It is important to note that NittanyCow rations can only be viewed by other NittanyCow users. First, we will see how to export a ration or catalog of rations. To export a single ration, go to Manage Rations in the main menu and select Manage Rations. Find the ration you wish to export in the window and highlight it with a single click. Remember that you can narrow the list of rations by selecting specific catalogs. Once the appropriate ration is highlighted, go to the Options menu and select Export Ration. NittanyCow will now ask you to designate the location where you would like to save the ration. Navigate to the place in the hard drive or removable flash drive where you would like to save the ration, and then name the file. Now click Save. NittanyCow will notify you that the file has been exported. If you want to transfer several rations, you can export an entire catalog of rations rather than exporting rations one at a time. First, make sure that you have placed all the rations you want to export into a single catalog. To move a copy of a ration into a catalog, highlight the ration and select Copy Ration from the Options menu. Then select the appropriate catalog or create a new catalog. Click OK, and NittanyCow will save a copy of the ration to the designated catalog. Once you have all the desired rations in a single catalog, select Manage Rations from the main menu, then select Manage Rations. Specify the catalog you wish to export from the drop-down menu, then go to Options and select Export Catalog. Just as with a single ration, designate the location to save the exported catalog and name the file. Click Save, and NittanyCow will notify you that the catalog was exported successfully. Once a ration or catalog has been exported, it can be transferred to another computer or another user by either saving the exported file to a removable disk or by attachment to an email. If you want to attach a catalog of rations to an email, it may be helpful to zip the exported file before attachment. This will expedite transmission of the file to the other recipient. Now we will import a ration into NittanyCow. First, make sure that the incoming ration file is labeled with the .ncr file tag, or the import process will not work. To learn how to import amino cow or CPM dairy rations, refer to tutorials 11 and 12. To continue, from the home screen, select Manage Rations from the main menu, then select Manage Rations. Next, go to Options and select Import Ration. NittanyCow will now ask you to select the ration you wish to import. Navigate to the location on the hard drive or flash drive where the ration file is saved and highlight the ration with a single click. Then click Open. NittanyCow will now ask you to assign a catalog to the incoming ration. Designate or create the appropriate catalog as necessary, then click OK. NittanyCow will notify you when the ration has been successfully imported, and it is now available to view and manipulate the same as any other ration in NittanyCow. To import a catalog of NittanyCow rations, go to the Options menu and select Import Catalog. Follow the same steps as you would if you were importing a single ration. If the catalog contains a particularly large number of rations, it may take a minute or so to import all the rations. NittanyCow will notify you when the import process is complete, so please be patient. This concludes Tutorial 9. For more information, please consult the NittanyCow help file and other NittanyCow tutorials, or contact NittanyCow customer support to ask more questions.